Hi, this is Dr. Bragg from homeprotherapy.com with a tip for a pain-free Friday. I'm sitting here watching the football game, the Chiefs versus the Chargers. I fell asleep and woke up with an ache in my back. Now, I have to go to work tomorrow, so what will I do? I'm bending forward, touching my knees, and I feel the stretch in my back. I'm counting to 20, feeling that stretch. Oh, it feels good. I'm sitting up now, bending backwards and looking at the ceiling and counting to 10. Ooh, I feel the stretch. Now I'm bending forward and touching the middle of my legs. I'm counting to 20 again. And after I count to 20, I'm sitting up, bending backwards and counting to 10. And for the last stretch, I'm bending forward again and touching my ankles or my feet. I feel that stretch again, and I'm counting to 20. My back is tight. I'm sitting up, bending backwards, and counting to 10. Now, what is Dr. Bragg going to use? I put ice on my back for 15 minutes. This is feeling so much better. Now, if you still have an ache after sitting on that couch watching a football game or falling asleep on the sofa like I did, repeat these stretches and ice again for 15 minutes. I hope this stretch was beneficial to you. Sign up for my YouTube below, and I'll be back again next week with another tip for a pain-free Friday. If you have a suggestion for a topic that you'd like me to talk about, put it in the comment section. Have a good weekend.